Hello, this is Mariah and Nadia. This is Wednesday, I think. Yes, it's Wednesday, and we are in school in Nykøbing, in Denmark. We have made this profile so you could come in to our live. I'm not so good to English, and Nadia is really quiet right now. Say something. Say something.
Hvad er det, du har siddet og snakket om, jeg slet ikke kunne høre dig?
Say something.
Ja. Jeg har slet ikke hørt på dig, mand.
Say something in English, please. Okay, so I am 18 years old, and that is Nadia also. I couldn't remember her name, so now she's mad. But
Now he's mad.
She.
Bare fordi du er en female.
I'm not a boy.
She is a MILF, and she like big tits.
Dick. I like
Noget
dick.
fortæller man ikke.
Du har siddet og sagt, at han på dit. Ej, nej, det skal på YouTube.
Lad mig så sige, du godt kan en stor pølse.
It's on YouTube. Nej.
She have a dick and a pussy.
Nej, I don't have a dick.
Det er det, du så
I
siger.
just have that pussy.
Hun er helt væk, mand.
Yes.